Hello and welcome back to our channel Fit Body Hub. Let's get straight into today's topic. Here's what happens when you replace your drinks with water for 1 month. Water is often referred to as the elixir of life. It's a simple yet powerful substance that our bodies rely on for survival. While most of us are aware of the importance of staying hydrated, many still underestimate the transformative effects of replacing other beverages with water. If you're considering making this change, here are 5 notable benefits you can expect to experience over the course of 1 month. You will experience cognitive benefits. Staying properly hydrated is essential for optimal brain function. When you replace sugary drinks or caffeinated beverages with water, you provide your brain with the hydration it needs to operate at its best. Dehydration can lead to cognitive impairments such as poor concentration, fatigue, and memory problems. By consistently drinking water, you'll notice improved mental clarity, enhanced focus, and increased productivity throughout the day. 2. You will remove waste buildup from your body. Many beverages, especially those high in sugar and artificial additives, can contribute to the accumulation of toxins and waste in your body. By substituting them with water, you provide your system with a natural detoxifying agent. Water helps flush out toxins through urination and sweat, supporting the efficient functioning of your liver and kidneys. As a result, you'll experience improved digestion, reduced bloating, and a general sense of well-being. 3. You stabilize your kidney function. The kidneys play a crucial role in filtering waste products from the blood and maintaining the body's fluid balance. Consuming excessive amounts of sugary drinks or caffeinated beverages can strain the kidneys and increase the risk of kidney stones and other renal problems. By replacing these drinks with water, you reduce the workload on your kidneys and promote their optimal functioning. This can lead to a lower risk of kidney-related issues and an overall improvement in kidney health. 4. Your hair and skin will thank you. The benefits of water extend beyond internal health and reach the realm of external beauty as well. Proper hydration is essential for healthy hair and glowing skin. When you drink sufficient amounts of water, it helps to moisturize your skin, giving it a plumper and more youthful appearance. Water also aids in maintaining the elasticity and strength of your hair, preventing dryness, brittleness, and breakage. By replacing sugary drinks with water, you're nourishing your body from the inside out and enhancing your natural beauty. 5. You will lose weight and lower your risk for certain diseases. Replacing high-calorie beverages with water is an effective strategy for weight management. Water has 0 calories, and by drinking it instead of sugary drinks, you'll significantly reduce your daily calorie intake. Additionally, water can help suppress appetite, making you feel fuller and less likely to overeat. Over the course of a month, this simple switch can lead to noticeable weight loss and improved body composition. Moreover, reducing the consumption of sugary drinks can lower the risk of various diseases such as obesity, type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular conditions, and dental problems. By opting for water, you avoid the negative health consequences associated with excessive sugar intake and maintain a healthier lifestyle overall. In conclusion, replacing your drinks with water for 1 month can bring about a range of benefits for your body, mind, and overall well-being. From improved cognitive function and waste elimination to enhanced kidney function, hair, and skin health, the advantages of making this change are substantial. Combined with weight loss and a decreased risk of certain diseases, choosing water as your primary beverage is a simple yet powerful lifestyle adjustment that can yield remarkable results in a short period of time. So raise a glass to good health and make hydration a priority. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe, and best of luck on your fitness journey.